So good day, lovers of STEM, and welcome back to our final installment in driving Lilybot using an IR remote and receiver. So one thing you will see here is that it looks a little bit like spaghetti, which is why I highly recommend that if you're not very good at wiring or if you're not very familiar, please use my previous video, which is the fritzing of the wiring. But I did want you to show you a little bit about what it looks like on the robot. So stay tuned. Okay, so most of these things have already been wired up in a previous video, so I'm going to focus on the new things. First, here's the infrared remote. Here is the infrared receiver, so there's the receiver. Then the first thing we have is this blue wire. This blue wire on the far side is jumping over here to ground because ground is coming from here. Then that next orange wire, this one, is jumping over here to voltage because it's going to 5 volts. And then this final orange wire here is your signal. And the signal is going over here to pin 11. Right here, we have our motor controller. So here's the gray wire jumping to ground again here. And here we have your left motor. So it's coming from the left wheel. And we have the right motor. It's coming from the right wheel here. So then here is our buzzer. Our buzzer is also connected to ground here. And then the other side is connected to A3, where A3 is over here. Then we have the 4 LEDs. I also have previous videos on this because it's a little hard to see. But these 4 LEDs are in series with 220 ohm resistors, all going to ground. And then the other side of these LEDs is going to, over here, pins 2, 3, and 4, and then one of them is going to pin 12. Hope this makes sense. Thanks for following the entire series. Stay STEM awesome.